So this is a strange day. We have a cruise ship in the port of St. John. It is December 21st, 4 days before Christmas. It's -1. There's a wind chill of about -12. And this is the cruise ship that has been covered by a lot of the major news outlets, CNN, some of the big ones, because it's so unusual for a cruise ship to come up the East Coast this time of year, for obvious reasons. Welcome to St. John, folks. Welcome. Welcome. This is not the Bahamas, sir. This is not the Bahamas. This is good old St. John. Yeah, welcome. Hey, how come nobody's out on the deck? How come nobody's in the pool? It's freezing out. The wind chill just goes right through you. But this is it. 4 days before Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody.